Entrepreneurship is not merely about building companies. It's about building character, vision, and legacy. Please join me in welcoming a leader, mentor, and entrepreneurial force who has inspired countless founders. May we have the video, please?
Hello everyone, I am Raju Agarwal, CEO of Techman's Office. I would like to sincerely thank Ajay sir for the valuable mentorship and guidance during 101 session under TiE Chandigarh mentorship program. This session gave me a new perspective on how to build and scale a business. One of the biggest learning for me was understanding the importance of building system-driven execution, defining SOPs and linking them with KPIs, creating leadership structure inside the organization, and thinking beyond project execution toward long-term organization growth.
My name is Dilpreet and I work on the grad track. So I have been part of the TiE Chandigarh mentorship program, and one of the standout experiences was a bootcamp session with Ajay Tiwari ji, sharp and intensive. So even in a group setting, the insights felt personally relevant. And then came the one-on-one, where he engaged with my specific challenges, asked questions I hadn't thought to ask myself, and reframed problems in a way that months of self-reflection hadn't managed.
Hi, I am Devjit Singh, Director of Conversion Firm Private Limited. We are Mohali-based digital marketing agency. Thanks to Mr. Ajay sir, who is the chief mentor of this mentorship program, because whenever I met him, every time I got a lot of clarity about my business, the way we should run the business, and all these types of things. Thanks to
This is Gaurav from CEO of Exotic IT Solutions. I share my feedback regarding the mentorship program led by Ajay Tiwari sir. It was a really great experience and kind of life-changing experience for me.
Hi, I'm CA Rashi Bhatia, CEO and founder of EquiFlow Accounting Solutions. So, as an accountant, I have been providing financial clarity to all my clients. But through these sessions, I was able to find clarity for my own business functions.
टाई चंडीगढ़ द्वारा मेंटोरशिप प्रोग्राम जो चलाया जा रहा है, उसमें मुझे अजय तिवारी जी से 1-to-1 सेशन का मौका मिला। उसमें मैंने उनसे अपने बिजनेस के बारे में डिटेल में बातचीत की, उनकी गाइडेंस ली और काफ़ी कुछ उनसे सीखने को मिला।
I'm sure after this video, everybody knows who we are inviting next. Please join me in inviting Mr. Ajay Tiwari, Chief Mentor, TiE Chandigarh, and Global CEO and MD, Smart Data Enterprises, for an insightful session titled An Entrepreneurial Sojourn and Insight. Welcome, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Before I start, can I have a raise of hand? How many women entrepreneurs are there in this hall? Okay, keep it up. How many of you are above 1 crore revenue? Oh, many hands have gone down. 1, 2, 3. How many of you are above 5 crore revenue? I need female entrepreneurs, sir. How many are above 5 CR, please? Raise of hands. None. Okay. Then I would request you to be very attentive to what I'm going to say in next 10-15 minutes. If you have your notebook, please take out your pen and notebook. If you have your phone, please take out your note, because what you are going to hear is definitely going to impact your journey. So please be attentive, because this is the time you should be focusing on. So first of all, thank you, TiE. I'm very privileged to be among so many budding young entrepreneurs, seasoned entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, aspiring founders, investors, policymakers, and ecosystem leaders. I'm also fortunate that of my three major pillars of my life, two of them, my wife Anjali and my daughter Aparna, is amongst us. My son is not here. Usually entrepreneurship looks like an individual achievement from outside, कि बंदा है या बंदी है खुद कर रहा है. But after building 27 years of successful businesses, I can tell you that nobody succeeds alone. So before I begin, I thank all my family members, especially Anjali and Aparna and Ashish, for being part of this journey. When I was asked to speak on entrepreneurial surgeon and insight, I revisited the meaning of the word surgeon. Surgeon simply means journey, yatra. 27 साल के बाद मैं बड़े कॉन्फिडेंटली आपको बोल सकता हूँ, entrepreneurship is exactly that yatra. It's not a destination. It's not a title. It's not a valuation. In lighter term, it's like taking pangas. You are solving problem. You are solving problem one after another. And if you don't want to do that, if you don't like solving problems, you are in the wrong space. So before I begin, let me share a belief that I hold very strongly, और ये कई female entrepreneurs इस चीज़ को इनको समझना चाहिए कि fundamentally I believe कि entrepreneurship is gender neutral. You don't have an advantage or disadvantage because of your gender. The customer never asks whether the founder is a man or a woman. Customer खाली एक क्वेश्चन पूछता है, क्या आप मेरी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हो? कस्टमर आपसे वैल्यू खरीदता है. So always remember, if you are giving value to your customer, you are going to succeed. And there's a confusion between customer, investor, and market. So please note very clearly that the customer buys value, investor backs your conviction, and your market rewards your execution. आप जैसा काम करोगे मार्केट उसको रिवॉर्ड करेगा. इन्वेस्टर आपको मार्केट नहीं दिलाएगा, इन्वेस्टर आपकी कन्विक्शन को बैक करेगा, और कस्टमर आपसे खाली वैल्यू डिमांड करेगा. उसके केस में आपको वो एक प्राइस देगा. Pragati is a very good initiative by TiE Chandigarh, but before I move further, let's look at the opportunity in front of us, for women especially. आपको ये जान के आश्चर्य होगा कि इंडिया में खाली 20% businesses are run by women, but the population is 50%. So there is a substantial opportunity which lies above, ahead of us, which is not being tagged. Half the population, yet only 1/5 the entrepreneurs. This means the biggest execution it is, but it is also a game of trust. People buy from people they trust. People work with people they trust. People invest in people they trust. Many successful women founders build authentic relationships quickly and sustain them over time. एक चीज़ ध्यान रखिए, कस्टमर आपका ऑफर, आपका पिच डेक भूल जाएगा, पर वो कभी नहीं भूलता कि आपने उसको ट्रीट कैसे किया. And that comes from your trust building. And that's, so trust is not a social advantage nowadays. It's a business advantage. Please take full advantage of that quality in you. And finally, resilience, which is inherent nature in every woman. Resilience means कि गिर के उठना, ठोकर खा के उठना, ऑब्स्टिकल्स सामने आने से भी डरना नहीं. आपकी जर्नी लंबी होगी, जहाँ पे मार्केट बदलेगा, कस्टमर बदलेंगे, टेक्नोलॉजी बदलेगी, कंपटीशन बदलेगा, पर आप नहीं बदलोगे। और वो है रेजिलियंस जो आपके अंदर एक नेचुरल आता है। इसको अगर आप ठीक से इस्तेमाल करोगे तो आपकी जर्नी आगे बढ़ेगी और लंबी जाएगी। Then, being a chief mentor, I think I will have a bias to talk about it. As an entrepreneur, the biggest advantage you can have is the ability to learn from somebody else's mistake. Instead of paying for every lessons personally, हम मेंटरी की बात करते हैं। मेंटरिंग में क्या होता है, आप किसी एक्सपीरियंस बंदे से या बंदी से सीखते हो। क्या सीखते हो कि क्या नहीं करना है, क्योंकि उसको आपसे ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है। किस चीज़ का एक्सपीरियंस? गलती करने का। He or she has made many mistakes, more than you. So either you go and bang your head on the wall yourself and learn the hard way, or you learn from somebody who has made that mistake. And that's what mentoring teaches you. Mentoring आपकी प्रॉब्लम को एलिमिनेट नहीं करेगा। मेंटरिंग आपकी प्रॉब्लम का जो सोल्यूशन का रोड मैप है उसको कम कर देता है। करना आपने ही है। तो आई हैव सीन वेरी गुड फाउंडर्स not growing because they don't seek advice. And I've seen very, young entrepreneurs seeking advice from as many people they can and growing very fast. इसमें कोई बुराई, कोई वीकनेस नहीं दर्शाती है कि आप किसी से मदद मांग रहे हो। एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप स्केली एक दूसरे की असिस्टेंस से करती है। तो अगली बार जब आप किसी चैलेंज को फेस करते हैं तो देखिए अपने आसपास, देखिए अपनी कम्युनिटी में कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कहीं बैठा है जो आपको उस प्रॉब्लम से, उस स्ट्रैटेजिक इशू से सॉल्यूशन दिलाएगा। तो माय एडवाइस इज फाइंड अ मेंटर एंड व्हेन यू बिकम सक्सेसफुल, बिकम वन, गाइड समबडी एल्स। As chief mentor of TiE Chandigarh this year, you have seen the video. I have the opportunity to meet some brilliant founders, and we just finished the one-on-one session. Me as a business person, running a company for 27 years, having served over 10,000 customers, 7 geographies, I would leave you with 5 hard truths as requested by TiE Women Chair yesterday. I asked her what should I talk about. She said, give them 5 hard truths. So here you go. This is again gender neutral. It is applicable to any entrepreneur. And I would definitely ask you to write them because they are going to impact your business for sure. Number 1, hard truth. Nobody is coming to rescue your business. Neither the government, nor the investor, nor the mentor, nor the customers. People can support you, will support you, but ownership belongs to you as a founder. Entrepreneurship is voluntary ownership of problems. Voluntary ownerships. That day you will accept complete ownership is the day your business will truly begin to grow. The hands will remain there when I will ask 10 करोड़ के ऊपर कितना है, कितनी कंपनी है, 20 करोड़ के ऊपर कितनी है. So nobody is coming to rescue your business, number 1. Number 2, the most overused word, passion. I'm passionate, this is my passion. Passion does not scale. Many founders love their product, loved their services. But what does customer love? Customer loves solutions. Customer आपको आपके पैशन के लिए पैसा नहीं देता है. They buy outcomes. The sooner you move from asking, what do I want to sell? मुझे क्या बेचना है? To asking, what problem am I solving? The faster you will grow. So don't be mesmerized with the word called passion. Be practical. Look for problems in the market you are serving. See if your solution can solve that problem, and that will give you the scale. Truth number 3. Revenue matters more than funding. I've seen many founders spend months and years chasing investors when they should have been chasing customers. देखिए, इन्वेस्टर मोमेंटम को फंड करता है, आपके बिजनेस मोमेंटम को, आपको नहीं फंड करता है. मोमेंटम कस्टमर्स बनाते हैं. अगर आप मोमेंटम बनाएंगे अपने कस्टमर से तो इन्वेस्टर आपके पीछे आएंगे. और उसके लिए रेवेन्यू बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज रेवेन्यू विल क्रिएट कॉन्फिडेंस, इट विल गिव यू क्रेडिबिलिटी. So one of the very strong reality, I would write it and put it on your desk. Revenue is vanity, profit is sanity, and cash is reality. अगर आपके पास कैश नहीं है बैंक में, आप रेवेन्यू कर रहे हैं तो भी कुछ नहीं होगा. आपके पास रेवेन्यू है, प्रॉफिट नहीं है तो भी कुछ नहीं होगा. A business which grows revenue but never learns how to create profit, which is a problem in many of your businesses. कि रेवेन्यू तो हो रहा है सर, प्रॉफिट नहीं है, और प्रॉफिट है तो प्रॉफिट को निकाल के अपने पर्सनल अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर हो जाता है, कारें खरीद ली जाती हैं, मकान में इन्वेस्ट हो जाता है. And this is something I have learned from the recent cohort. So याद रखिए, पहले बेचिए, सेल फर्स्ट फंड लेटर. डोंट से फंडिंग चाहिए, फंडिंग चाहिए, फंडिंग चाहिए. किस लिए चाहिए फंडिंग भाई? फंडिंग फ्री में नहीं आती है. मनी कॉस्ट, दे विल चार्ज यू. फोर्थ ट्रुथ, visibility matter as much as capability. I've seen brilliant founders whose business never grew. Why? Because they backed capability. Oh, I'm doing this, मैं blockchain पे काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं AI में काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. Because कर तो रहे हो, पर तुम्हारे बारे में कोई जानता है? Where is the visibility? देखिए, बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट हमेशा नहीं जीतता, विजिबल प्रोडक्ट जीतता है. So capability without visibility is invisibility. Capability है, visibility नहीं है, तो आपको कोई नहीं जानेगा. कोई तो marketing is not a vanity, it is a must. अपने बिजनेस को दुनिया को दिखाइए. और दुनिया चंडीगढ़ नहीं है खाली, दुनिया पंजाब नहीं है, दुनिया NCR नहीं है कि हम नॉर्थ इंडियन कंपनी है तो नॉर्थ ही में बेचेंगे. आप ग्लोबल कंपनी हो. So focus on visibility. And the last final truth is perfection will cost you growth, your growth. We get carried away with these emotions. I should have a perfect logo, I should have a perfect website, I should have a perfect pitch, perfect product. आप करते रहिए, meanwhile someone else will launch, learn and improve. So remember, done is often better than perfect. Progress beats perfection. So launch, learn and more and improve. So in the end, as I conclude, let me leave you with one final thought. Women entrepreneurships are already creating jobs, building companies, solving problems, and transforming communities. The bigger question is, and think about it when you are with yourself, how many more women entrepreneurships can we create? And that's a question I'll pose to Puneet, Brahm. टाई में भी आप देखिए, हम और कितने वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बना सकते हैं? एंड मोर देन दैट, हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम कैन स्केल? हाउ मेनी मोर सक्सेस स्टोरीज कैन इमर्ज फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़, पंजाब, हरियाणा एंड इंडिया? इंडिया को वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इसलिए नहीं चाहिए कि ये फैशनेबल है। इंडिया को वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इसलिए चाहिए क्योंकि ये एसेंशियल है, क्योंकि आधी पॉपुलेशन से खाली 1/5 आ रहा है। दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ ह्यूज अनटैप्ड एंटरप्रेन्योरल एनर्जी एंड zeal which we are not tapping. It will help us build stronger India. So to all my women entrepreneurial friends sitting here, please dream boldly, take calculated risk, build profitable business, not just businesses. Seek mentors, become mentors, stay resilient, and keep moving forward. I wish each one of you success in your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you very much.
I would now request Ma'am Anjali Tiwari and Ms. Aparna Tiwari to please join us on the stage for the felicitations. Let us have a big round of applause. Thank you so much, everyone.